Hey everyone, it's Leon. Today I got me a Apple Magic Keyboard. This one is the one with Touch ID. There's two versions. One is with Touch ID, which is what I have here, and then there's also one without the Touch ID as well. So today I wanted to really test this out because I've been meaning to get an external keyboard for my Mac and also my Apple iPad Pro. I'm rocking the 11-inch here. It's pretty awesome so far. I've only had it for a couple of months now, but so far, really good iPad. I actually don't have that much Apple product. I have the Magic Mouse, which I've been using to edit videos and things like that. But in terms of their trackpad and their keyboard accessory that they've sold out there, I've never had the need to buy any of those, which is mind-blowing to me. This is the cord right here that came with my iPad Pro, the USB-C to USB-C. But instead, this one right here is a USB-C to Lightning. I'm a little disappointed in that. Anyway, the reason why I like it so much was because this braided cables right here. These are one of the very few braided cables that you get from Apple, unless you buy, you know, their high-end iPads and stuff like that. Take a look at the keyboard real quick. Wow, this... Okay. Can I just say how light this thing is? This thing is super light. This is the lightest keyboard I have, by the way. Anyway, beautiful in the back right here. Not sure if you can see the white on white Apple logo right there. Yeah, so back here, I believe it's all plastic, but the surrounding casing of it, it's aluminum. The reason why I know is because the edge is pretty sharp, guys. It feels like it's gonna cut my hands if I don't be careful with this. Yeah, really sharp edges here. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest with you. I wish they filed it down a little bit because, you know, your hands and your palm and stuff might be on here, right? Anyway. So yeah, here it is, the Touch ID sensor right there. That's actually what you're paying the extra money for. But other than that, it looks beautiful. Look at this. These keys on here. Obviously, this is not the scissors key that you find on my old Mac right here. These are the scissor key right here where the stuff gets stuck underneath it. These are, I believe, the new and improved keys that they have. There's really only two things here. One is the Lightning port right there. And then the other thing is this on and off switch right over here. All right, guys, so after playing around with this for a few hours, here's what I found out. First off, this Magic Keyboard with Touch ID will work with either devices. Obviously, iPad Pro, connect with Bluetooth, that kind of stuff. This is an old Intel Mac, and so it still works. The keyboard works. Bluetooth, you connect, or you can connect to a wire. It'll work that way too. The only thing here is because I have Touch ID. Touch ID does not work with the Intel Mac. It has to be a silicon Mac, like M1, M2, M3, things like that. So you have to have one of those MacBook that has silicon Mac in order for the Touch ID to work. All right, so that might sway you in buying the one without Touch ID. With the iPad, pretty much works with all the other Bluetooth keyboard that I have. I wish that they had kind of improved it a little bit with the way it works on the iPad. Like for instance, this now useless Touch ID button. It really doesn't work on the iPad at all. I wish that when you press it, that it, you know, goes to the home screen or something like that, you know? So little things like that, I wish they had improved on that, but they didn't. It works just like a regular Bluetooth keyboard on the iPad. Anyway, that's the quick unbox right there, and hopefully you find that useful. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.